Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss how to develop this basic template step by step. Here you can see it's simple. It's a logo. Okay. Then here you can see this some pages name: home page, support page, about us page, blog page, contact us page. Then a slider. You can see it's a simple slider. Then two blocks, one block, two block. Then right sidebar. Okay, then you can see footer widget, 1 2 3. Here you can see three widget and a footer bottom. Okay, let's see how to develop this full template step by step. Okay, to develop this template in our WordPress, make we have to follow some rules first. Okay, what you should do first, you have to create a folder, okay, in your local host or live server as wish you can use. Okay, let's see. Go local disk C drive, then jam, then htdocs. Then I have discussed already about this. We have created a new uh, folder name which was new. Okay, then we have paste our WordPress files here. Okay, then we have to create a new themes in WP content, then themes. Here you can see the theme folder. If you enter this, you can see a new theme here. My theme, I am working on this. Okay, here you can see there is css image js, where we have where this file are come from. I have discussed this already yesterday. Okay, here you can see I have created index.php file. Okay, but you should not use this because you have to make this index.html as a index.php file. Okay, for this I am simply index.php file, delete it. Okay, let's make this file index.html as a index.php. Just rename, control A, simply index.php. Just enter. Are you sure you want to change it? Of course, yes. Then you can see this file name has been changed. Okay, simply here you can see three folders: css, images, js, index.php, screenshot.png, and style.css. Okay, let's go to our dashboard. You can see we are in our dashboard now. Okay, let's see what about our theme now. Just appearance. Then you can see it's my theme, our new theme. Okay, we have to develop this. Okay, let's see. Go to backend. You can see there is a screenshot.png. Okay, you have to put a image to show this image. Okay, and of course you have to make this image name is screenshot.png or screenshot.jpg, as you wish you can put. Okay, but you have to put, of course, this name screenshot first, then dot, then png or jpg, as your wish. Okay, let's go. If you then you can see, if just activate this, if we activate this theme, you can see and visit our website. Okay, this, okay, just close this, just visit our website. If you see, if you can see this, nothing, this here all things are broken. You can see this simply are HTML markup. Okay, this theme simple are these are all simply HTML markup. Okay, notes there are JS interaction or Java query, jQuery interaction, or JavaScript interaction, or CSS interaction. Okay, only the HTML markup here you can see. Okay, let's see how to fix this. Okay, simply what you should to do to fix this. Okay, let's go to our folder. Here you can see my theme. our folder all are here. Okay, basically if you want to develop a theme, okay, I think I always recommend that you have to develop this theme first in your local host, I mean a local computer. Okay, then you can, after developing all parts, you can simply upload it to live server. Okay, because it is easy to edit anything from local server, but if you work with live server, it is hard, very hard to edit some things like as local server. Okay, what you should do, just simply click and then edit with notepad plus plus. I think you have this. Okay, sorry, again we edit with notepad plus plus. You can see three file here. Okay, here you can see meta head html. Okay, head, then the title, it's simple. Okay, it's simple is showing here, you can see it's simple, and a few pages name here, but all are hazardous condition. Now how to fix this, I am showing this. Okay, don't be panic, it's very easy to develop a theme in WordPress. Okay, let's see. Here you can see, I will discuss this few minutes later, but I think first I am showing you how to fix this full. Okay, you can see all are broken. Okay, let's see. Okay, here you can see the css, then slash style.css. Okay, it's a folder name. You can see our folder name here, js folder, style.css, index.php, it's our file. Okay, this our file, but js, images, css, this are folder. Okay, if you enter this folder, just you can see this css file too extra. Okay, if you enter images, you can see many images here. Okay, if you enter js file, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 js file here. Okay, what if we work in our static website, if you can simply use it css slash style.css. If you simply use it, your website will be run very easily. Okay, you can see I am showing you the example. Okay, let's close it. Okay, here the total theme file here is simple. Simply you can here you can see images, js images. This is a main template, main html template. Okay, you can see this are root file in main theme root file. Okay, if you just in index.html, if you edit with this notepad plus plus, you can see the same. Okay, css slash style.css. Okay, here you can see css slash coins hyphen slider.css. I mean, these two things are in css folder, which is here. Sorry, which is here. Okay, if you click this, you can see this two file. Okay, but if you then scripts, I mean js folder. Okay, if you you can see one script, two script, three script, four script, five script. Okay, here you can see five js file. Okay, if you go back, you can see there. Okay, if you simply click js, you can see 5 js file here. Okay, but simply if you simply use this type source src src equal to double colon js slash then your js folder file name, or css slash your css file name, simply it will be loaded in uh, any browser. Okay, but if you want to make your website full dynamic, if you want to make your template in a theme, in a WordPress theme, these rules are quite different. Okay, you cannot use this as like this here. Okay, you cannot use this as like this here. Okay, it is static offset. For this you can use this, and this template will be loaded any browser. But you are using jam server or live server. If you use jam server, I mean local server or live server, you cannot use this type of rules. You have to follow another rules. Okay, I will discuss now the rules here. Simply this, close this again. Okay, only this. Okay, here you can see here you can see only two folder. I am uh, edit with notepad plus plus, opening this file again. Okay, here you can see there are five folder, then script 5 folder, and css 2 folder. Okay, you have to make this link dynamic. Okay, how to make this link dynamic, how to make this folder dynamic? I mean, you have to call that this all files are in your theme directory. Okay, how to call that all files are in your theme directory? Simply what you should do, here you can see I have put my cursor, okay, before css. Okay, simply what you should do, less than, greater than, then you can say, okay, then question mark, then you have to write php. Okay, you can think another, but you have, if you want to dynamic, if you want to make your website dynamic, you have to use, of course php. Okay, if you want to make your template in as a WordPress theme, you have to of course 100% use php. Okay, then what you should do, I am writing this again. What you should do, simply you can put anything here. Okay, I am using this last one. You can see before js folder. Okay, what you should do, just less than, greater than. Okay, if you cannot write this later than or greater than, what you should do, just uh, press shift in your keyboard, then less than, greater than, then you have to write question mark, shift, question mark, then you have to write php here. Okay, then you what should to do, echo, you have to write echo, just memorize this all. Okay, because it is all about of php. Okay, if you do not have a basic knowledge about php, you can learn it. Okay, you can get many platform to learn basic php. Okay, then php echo, what you should do, it's a WordPress function. Okay, let's see what is this. Okay, echo js script, js, here you can see 5 folder. Okay, the template directory URI. Okay, what you, the template directory URI. Okay, let's see. Okay, the template directory URI, if you use this, then you can see this is php quotation int. Okay, after quotation you have to use a slash. Just if you on your keyboard, just paste slash. Okay, then what you should do, just copy from this uh, about slash, at last slash you have to copy this and you have to add this all folder before all folder name, here, here. Okay, so I am putting this in JS folder first. Just control V or control V or paste. Okay, then second control V, then second, third control V, then fourth. If you paste all this, okay, then see, let's see our browser what happened. Just refresh this, let's see there anything change or not. All are vanished, I don't know what's the matter. Okay, let's see. Search in Google the template directory, maybe it's fault or URI. Just click it, sorry, the not the, it will be get template directory EI. For this it's showing error. Okay, let's control Z, we make this as it was before. Okay, I am writing this again. Simply what you should do, if you feel hazardous here to write, simply what you should do, you press enter. Okay, then what you should write, PHP, then less than greater than, then PHP, then PHP, then echo get template directory. You have to, of course you have to mind any or in your right word. If it is in wrong word, you cannot, you see, you cannot work. Okay, then put a slash. Okay, simply what you should do, PHP echo get template directory URI. Okay, get underscore template underscore directory underscore URI, then slash. Okay, simply what you should do, just cut it, control X. Okay, then paste it, then paste it, then paste it, then paste it, then paste it. Okay, you have to put this put this before all folder name. Okay, here you can see CSS folder, just paste. Here you can see another folder, CSS folder, just paste. Okay, let's control S, let's see our browser what happening now. You can see the CSS is working here. Okay, but the image is not here. What's the fault? You may be disappointed that the images are not here. Why this? Okay, if you ask me, I am showing this. Okay, let's see. Here you can see I am using this get template directory URI. Okay, only the CSS and JS folder, but I am not using this in image folder. Here you can see images, you can see a folder here. What you should do, just paste this. Okay, and then here you can see src, just not quotation, double quotation. Okay, after quotation you have to paste this, then here another image, just paste this. Okay, just control S, then let's see our slider is working or not. Here you can see these images are here. This is really good, really good. Okay, then here you can see this three images here, but here there was a blog image here and another image here and image gallery here, few images here, but all are disappeared here. Okay, how to fix this? Follow the this again on another images folder. Simply after double quotation, control V. Okay, this is first block. Then another second block image, control V. Then go to below. You can see there are a few images here, but all these are not get their directory because it is a dynamic website. We are working with WordPress. If you work with WordPress or any local server or any live server, you have to add this. You have to add a function which is get template directory URI in PHP quotation. Okay, after double quotation just put it. And then another image here, you can see here, you can another image, just put it here. You can see another image, just put another image, just put, and last one image is okay. Control S, let's save it. Here you can see the first blog image here, the second blog image here, and the image gallery is here. Okay, okay, all done. Now I have all. You can think this is all things are working still now statically. Okay, it is not working dynamically. I am telling you this, that you cannot change anything. I mean, see this maybe title or logo, this all things are page, this are a slider, this slider image or blog, this right side bar. You cannot change anything from here. Okay, there is no option here. You cannot change anything in this website. Okay, let's see how to change this. Okay, I am creating another tutorial for this because this tutorial taking many time. I think if the tutorial are in short, people will love this. Okay, and feel energy to learn this and work with this. Okay, let's see. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.